Hello everyone! In this video I'll try to replace the standard halogen bulbs with LED ones. I have an Audi A6 with very poor low beams headlights, making it nearly impossible to see at night while driving. I got fed up with this over time and decided to get new LED bulbs. Since the car uses H1 sockets for the low beams, I ordered LEDs with H1 sockets too. Opening the box, the first thing I see are these white gloves, which are for avoiding oily fingerprints on the bulbs during installation. Next, I see the LED bulbs, which I'll carefully take out now. The whole package includes gloves, bulbs and an installation guide. From the guide, I understood that to replace the bulbs, you simply need to remove the old one and insert the new one, which comes with an adapter for the H1 socket. Then, connect the power to the bulb. The installation doesn't seem too complicated, but let's see how it goes in practice. When you take out the new bulbs, you can see this adapter, which allows the LEDs to fit into the standard mount. As for the LED bulb itself, its light out is 6000 Kelvin and it has an IP68 water resistance rating. The bulb also has this kind of fan to cool the clip, allowing it to operate at temperatures up to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. The manufacturer claims that this bulb is long-lasting with the lifespan of over 50,000 hours. For example, I have to change the standard halogen bulbs quite often, and I hope this won't be the case with the new ones. Now let's see how the LED bulbs light up and try to focus on the light-shadow boundary. We'll start with a small test on the table by connecting the halogen bulb to a 12-volt power supply. I see the standard yellow light, which weakly illuminates the road. Looking at the new bulb, it has 3 powerful LEDs on each side. I think the light output of these bulbs should be greater. I'm not sure how well the phone camera captures it, but it seems to me that the new bulbs is much brighter than the halogen one. As you can see, I still have the halogen bulb in the lenses, giving off that yellow light. I hope the new bulbs will make the headlights much brighter. The old bulbs come out very easily. First, remove this power steering cover, then unclip the headlight cover and take it out. Next, remove the spring clip and take out the halogen bulb. Now the most challenging part is inserting the LED bulb. First, I'll insert the adapter, and after securing the adapter, I'll place the new bulb into it. I encountered a problem. The adapter is in place, but the spring clip isn't long enough to secure it. One option is to use plastic ties to hold the clip without damaging the factory bulb mounts. After some fiddling, I managed to secure the adapters like this. Next, I connected the power wires to the bulb, making sure not to mix up the polarity, and inserted them into the fixed adapter. The bulb is installed, and now I can turn on the low beams and check its operation. Then I'll wait for it to get dark and do a test drive with the new lights. I turn it on the headlights, the fan on the LED bulb is working, and the light output during daylight looks like this. Here's how the halogen bulb lights up in the headlight. The final step is to put this back cover on. I was lucky that the covers have small recesses, so they should close without any issues. As you can see, the new bulb doesn't prevent the covers from closing, though it was a bit tricky. For the right headlight, I had to remove the air duct to comfortably replace the bulbs. During installation, I noticed that the headlight adjuster had come loose from its mounts, causing the headlight to point downward. So, in the photos of the halogen bulb's light, you'll notice a small spot on the right side. Now, I'll wait for it to get darker and test the new bulbs. So, I waited for it to get dark. Check out how the new bulbs shine. And now let's compare them with how it was before. In the video, you should see how the halogen bulbs used to light up, and this is how the headlights look with LEDs. To me, they're small lights. Even considering I raised the right headlight higher, the halogen bulbs still seem worse. Notice the clear light shadow boundary. I drove around a bit, and oncoming drivers didn't flash their lights at me, meaning my headlights aren't blinding anyone. If needed, the headlight adjuster can always be used to raise or lower the light beam a bit. Ideally, you should replace the headlights of the lenses, but I wanted to compare the halogen bulbs with LEDs specifically. And in my opinion, the LED bulbs are much better, with the only downside being their price. Next, let's see how the headlights light up along the road. You can see a small yellow spot with the halogen bulbs. Here's how the LED bulbs light up the road. Everyone can draw their own conclusions. And that's all. Bye!